Hey, you guys, my name is Alicia Garrett, and I'm inviting you in to take a look at this exquisite in-unit townhome located right here in the Southwood Reserve community, only a short distance from downtown Atlanta in the Camp Creek Marketplace. This pre-loved property is only 5 years old and has exceptional features for today's buyer. Let's take a look inside. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tour. If you are interested in scheduling a private viewing, make sure to contact me at 770-342-9931. Again, my name is Alicia Garrett of the Ivy League Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm looking forward to earning your business.